Hi there, I'm Melina, and as a web developer, I'm facing a challenge that might sound familiar to you. Estimating the correct pricing for a website or web application. Frustration really kicks in once you've already read a bloody 50-page specification, but you're still lacking key insights to come up with the correct pricing. And if I put myself into the shoes of a client, let's be honest, often you receive a pricing and you do not really understand where the numbers are coming from. But thanks to ScopeWise, a project cost calculator, I was able to significantly speed up the time that I needed to come up with a reliable estimate, which allowed me to focus on the actual value of the project. But let's jump right in with a quick demo. So once I'm here on my dashboard, I can get a reliable estimate in just a few clicks. When creating a project, I can either upload my specifications document, or I use this multi-step guided form to narrow down all the requirements of my project and to get the cost estimate in the end. Let's say in this example, I want to build an appointment and a client management web application. You can fill in a company name, you have to indicate how many people are involved in the project. Let's say I'm working alone on the project with a daily rate of 500. My experience level is medium. And then in the last input field here, you react your stack. Voila. Then you are asked if you're also going to be in charge of the design. Let's say no. And here, and I prepared this already, you have to describe your project in a few words. And then a really cool feature is that you either list the features that you can still also edit in the last step, or you ask AI to generate a list of features for you. So let's do that. And you will see that, as you can see here, you'll get a long list, exhaustive list of several features that you could or not include in your web application. Let's for now accept that. Here we select that we are doing some manual testing. We're not gonna Dockerize the app. Do we need DevOps? No. And also here, for now, I'm not indicating that there's any risk involved in the project. So let's submit. And now in a few seconds, we will get a reliable estimate for our project. And voila, you'll get an exhaustive overview over all the tasks involved in your project, each with a time estimate and a pricing estimate. And two features I would want to highlight here is that one, you can edit all of the tasks you can see here. You can edit as well the time estimate. You can edit the daily rate that we indicated during the form, and many more. And as well, what I mentioned earlier, if you think there is a risk involved in the project, you can indicate that here. And a really cool feature here to be able to directly communicate this to your client or also share it with colleagues. You have an Excel export functionality here, which makes it really easy to actually share this. If you're interested, you can create 2 projects for free using the link that is in the comments of this video.